My dear friends, welcome back to BSpice. In this session, we'll continue with fire alarm system design after a short break, right? So today is going to be the part 5, wherein we'll focus on the technologies, like, fire alarm system technologies. Like we have seen the DCS, right? Similarly, we will also see what are all the latest technologies. Okay, so yes, as I said earlier, this is the part 4, part 5, wherein we'll cover advanced fire alarm system technologies. So prior to this, we have uploaded all these types, components, how the fire alarm system work, and also the types of fire alarm wiring, design and planning, installation, commissioning, maintenance, integration with other life safety, all we have covered already. Okay. So yeah, few more to come in, future trends, and also how to address the false alarm. So this section is exclusively for advanced fire alarm system technologies. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. Okay, maybe before getting started, I just want to, as technology, continues to evolve, so do fire alarm, right? So advanced technologies have led to significant improvements in fire detection, communication, and also the emergency response. So, as I mentioned earlier, we will explore the cutting edge advancements in fire alarm system, including the smart detector, cloud based monitoring, artificial intelligence, and of course, the integration of IoT, Internet of Things devices. Okay, so as part of that, first item, I would like to focus on smart detectors and sensing technology. Friends, smart detectors represent a significant leap forward in fire alarm system technology, right? Because, these detectors use advanced sensing technologies such as multi-criteria detection to improve the fire detection accuracy and thereby reducing the false alarm. Let's see what is multi-criteria detection. Smart detectors can combine multiple sensing elements, meaning smoke, heat, carbon monoxide sensors, to analyze different fire characteristics simultaneously. So that is the point. Okay. So this approach results in more reliable detection and reduces the risk of false alarm caused by environmental factors. I hope this multi-criteria is clear, right? Then the second aspect is self-monitoring and diagnostics. Friends, smart detectors can perform self-monitoring and diagnostics, meaning checking their own operational status regularly. So that is a beauty, right? So this feature, allows the system to identify issues with detectors or wiring. Okay, so that is very important. Whether we have an issue with the detector or the wiring. So, and it will notify the maintenance personnel of potential problems. So this is about the smart detectors and sensing technologies. Then the famous one, cloud-based monitoring and management. In fact, friends, the cloud-based technologies have revolutionized the fire alarm system monitoring and management. With cloud-based solution, fire alarm system can be transmitted and stored securely in the cloud, offering numerous benefits. Okay, let's see what are all the benefits. So one such benefit is remote monitoring and control. Authorized users can access the fire alarm system status and receive real-time notification from any location with an internet connection. So that is the beauty. So this enables the facility managers and the emergency responders to monitor the system performance and respond to events promptly, even when they are not in premises, not inside. That is the beauty. Then we also have centralized data storage. Storing fire alarm data in cloud, ensures that the critical information is securely preserved, even if the on-site control panel is damaged during the fire event. That is the beauty. Okay. Then we have a scalability and flexibility. Cloud-based solution can easily scale to accommodate the needs of different buildings and location. They are also compatible with various devices, enabling integration with other safety and building management system. So this is about the cloud-based monitoring and management. Then we have the artificial intelligence. You know, AI technology have the potential to transform fire alarm system by enabling smarter, more adaptive detection capabilities. So in the sense, AI algorithm can analyze a vast amount of data from various sensors and devices, making fire detection more accurate and proactive. So that is the pointer. So let's see how. Okay, one is the pattern recognition. The AI algorithm can recognize the patterns of behavior, helping to differentiate between real fire events and non-threatening sources of smoke or heat. So that is the beauty. I repeat again, pattern recognition. AI algorithm can recognize patterns of behavior, thereby to differentiate the real fire events and non-threatening sources of smoke or heat. Then we have a predictive analysis. By analyzing the historical data and building specific pattern, AI-powered fire alarm system can predict potential fire risk and take proactive measures to reduce the likelihood of fire incidents. So that's about the predictive. Then we have anomaly, anomaly detection. So AI algorithm can identify unusual or unexpected behavior in fire alarm system, such as device malfunction, tampering, or abnormal fire characteristics. So all this can be done, right? So that's about the artificial intelligence. Then we'll focus on the integration of Internet of Things, IoT. Friends, the Internet of Things have opened up new possibilities, meaning IoT sense devices such as smart sensors, cameras can be interconnected with fire alarm. What for? To enhance the fire detection and emergency response capabilities. Okay, let's see how. See, one is occupancy sensor. IoT-based occupancy sensor can provide real-time information about the presence of occupants within the building. So that is the beauty. This data can help optimize emergency evacuation strategies and improve the overall building safety. And second is video analytics. Integrating fire alarm system with video analytics enable them visual verification of fire events. See, what is the advantage? Yes, when a fire alarm system is triggered, cameras can automatically focus on the affected area, so thereby allowing the emergency responders to assess the situation remotely. So that is also possible, right? This is about the IoT. Okay. Then we have enhanced communication emergency response. Of course, advanced fire alarm system can communicate with building occupants and emergency responders more effectively, isn't it? So let's see how. Voice evacuation system. Integrated voice evacuation system can provide a clear and timely instruction to occupant during the fire emergency. So thereby guiding them to safety and reducing the panic. Second is the mobile app and alert. This is very important. Fire alarm system can send emergency alerts directly to the occupant's smartphone. Just see, right? So providing them with the critical information and instruction, even if they are outside the building. So that is the beauty of this enhanced communication and emergency response. And the last but not the least, this is all about the cybersecurity, security and cybersecurity consideration. So as a fire alarm system become more connected and dependent on advanced technology, cybersecurity becomes a critical concern. Manufacturers and system integrators must prioritize the robust cybersecurity measures to protect fire alarm system from, of course, cyber threat and unauthorized access. Okay, so that is the beauty of this cybersecurity consideration, friends. So, yeah, in conclusion, friends, the advanced technologies have really transformed the fire alarm system, offering improved detection capabilities, of course, the better communication, enhanced emergency response. The integration of smart detector, cloud-based monitoring, AI, and IoT has paved the way for more intelligent and adaptive fire protection solution. Okay. So yeah, that's it, friends. That's all I have for this technologies. Next, we'll focus on the future trends in fire alarm system. Of course, the future trends is just an extension of this video. Stay tuned and let's see that in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.